Hi all, so I welcome you to our advanced formula series, and this is our first video that is based on how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. So guys, I have taken this formula because this is very much useful in our day-to-day working in Excel, and it is also increase a lot of our quality of work that we do in MS Excel. So the basic purpose of this video is to teach you how to use VLOOKUP in Excel in a perfect way. So guys, first I want to give you the introduction about this formula. So you can imagine that there might be a situation where you want to look a value in another sheet or in another workbook that is based on certain value that you have in the existing sheet on your display screen. So for doing this task we can use VLOOKUP in Excel, so that if we have a lot of data in our Excel, so we are not supposed to go and copy and paste that data. So Excel will look up it automatically and can bring you the result over there. So the main idea of this video is to give the user ability to find the data based on certain similar values in two data tables. The purpose is that I just want to tell you that the data that you are looking up should be equal in every form, so that Excel can look up, because Excel is a software and it does not have the capability to check that whether you have made some mistakes or not. So whenever you want to do any such activity, you can use VLOOKUP function that on a sheet that is having the same values. So guys, the next thing that I want to tell you is the use of VLOOKUP. So whenever we enter VLOOKUP formula in our Excel sheet, it asks for four things. First, that is the lookup value. That means what to find. Whenever you say Excel to perform the VLOOKUP function, it asks you first that what I am supposed to find. So first you have to select that cell, the value of which you want to find in another sheet or another workbook. Second, the table array, that is where to find. So in Excel, whenever you use the VLOOKUP function, so after telling that what to find, Excel will ask you that where I should find it. So that second thing is table array. Third is column index. So in the area that you put up in the table array, Excel will ask that when I find this value, then what value should I bring to your sheet. So in that case we have to select the column in which that value exists, which we want to find. And the fourth thing is range lookup, that is, you want to find the exact text or the number of the cell you are giving in the lookup value, or you want to find an approximate value that is similar to it. So that Excel can determine that whether it has to take the absolute value or just the approximate value. So we will do it in a practical way. So let's understand how we can use this in our Excel sheet. Okay guys, so before starting, I just want to let you know that you can buy this amazing Excel ebook by the link given in the description of the video at a very nominal price of rupees 20. In this book, I have give you a detailed description of what is VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP and some advanced ways of using it in your sheet, by which you can see the enhanced usage of VLOOKUP. So it by this it is a very good book, and also you have the link to download the working file of this workbook in the PDF that you will get. So please buy it. So here, as you can see, I have a table that contains the name of some people who have got some score in the game they had played, and now I have a result place where I just want to display the score of a person whose name is written over here. So for this I can use VLOOKUP, and for this I have to write is equal to VLOOKUP over here, and then I will open a bracket. Then you can see that the four things that we have discussed are displayed over here. That is, first the lookup value, second is the table array, third is the column index number, and then the range lookup. So first I will tell the Excel that what it has to look in the results. So I will select this name because Excel will have to search this name in the table. Then I will put a comma over here. Then you can see that till now the lookup value is bold, but now the table array got bold because now Excel want me to select the place from where it look up this value. So now I will select this table from here, and then I will put a comma. Then the third things it asks is the column in which the value exists which I want to display over here. So as you can see in this table, I just want the score, and the score is displayed in the second column over here. So I will write comma 2 over here, and then I will place a comma. Now you can see that I am having two options, that is true for the approximate match and false for the exact match, or I can use 0 for the exact match as well. So now I will type over here false, and then I will close the bracket, and then whenever I press enter, it will give me the value that is uh, scored by the player named Anshuman. Now if I change this name to Arpit, it will display 40 over here. So whatever I just write over here in this column H3, it will look up this in the table that I have given in the description, and then it will took the value in the column second because I have put number 2 over here and I want the exact match of the lookup value. So I hope you understood how to use VLOOKUP, and the four things that is used in this. If you understand the exact requirement of the formula, you can place it anywhere. So if you have any query, you can put that in the comment box. Also please join our Facebook group so that you can ask your query around from various experts over there and also from me. Thank you.